Hello and welcome. Today we are making super crispy fried chicken wings in just a few simple steps. We're going to start by washing, patting dry, and cutting the chicken wings up. Patting dry helps to make sure that you don't have excess moisture in there for this recipe. So pat them dry and then place them in a large bowl. Now we are going to season them. I have all the ingredients in the description box. Add in the seasoning mixture. And then you'll need 1 beaten egg. So just beat the egg and then pour it onto the chicken wings. Now you'll need some garlic cloves. So just chop them up, not into small pieces because you do not want the garlic to go into the fryer later. So cut it up into large pieces and drop the garlic pieces in there. And then add in some soy sauce. This is an optional ingredient. You could leave it out, but it adds flavor as well as color to the chicken wings. So now mix everything in, and then we are going to marinate this chicken before frying it. So rub it in very nicely. Make sure all pieces are well coated with the seasoning. Cover and marinate until you lose patience, as someone said on YouTube. So maybe 4 to 6 hours. Now, as it marinates, we are gonna prepare the thickening mixture. Just 2 tablespoons each of corn flour and wheat flour. Cornstarch and wheat flour, and then half a teaspoon of paprika, and just mix this in. And then when the chicken is done marinating, you're going to pour this mixture into the chicken, and you're going to rub it in until the chicken is nicely coated with the mixture. At this point, you could choose to remove the garlic pieces because you don't want them to go into the fryer. They would burn and just not look good. But you could leave them in there. Just make sure to remove them when you start frying the chicken. So it's nicely coated and it's ready to fry. So there's also one trick when it comes to frying. We're going to double fry the chicken. So the first frying is going to be on medium-high heat. So just heat up your oil. Some people would use the thermometer. I don't. I just know when the oil is hot enough, but I'll include the degree measurements in the description box for those who want to go with the actual temperatures. But yeah, you're going to fry the chicken for about 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how large your wings are, and then drain them off the oil. Now, allow the oil to heat up for another 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and then add the chicken back in. This second frying is going to crisp up the exterior while not drying out the interior. So the first cooking had the chicken done about 80%, and this second cooking now does the whole job up to 100% doneness. Look at that chicken. It's well browned, it's very crispy, and the interior is super juicy. So do the same with the second set of the second batch of the chicken wings. I only did this in 2 batches. Fry for the first time, drain, let the oil heat up again, and return the chicken in. And then it's going to crisp up, brown nicely, and you're going to drain it off the oil. Of course, you could fry your chicken just once, but this double frying is a trick that I also learned recently, and it really allows crisping up without drying out the chicken. Now it's time to take a look and taste, and the chicken came out really nice. You could have this in parties, you could have it for lunch or dinner at home. It's really super delicious and super crispy. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope I will see you in another video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe of chicken wings. Bye bye.